Gutters are often the overlooked part of your household, but over time moss, leaves and other debris will find themselves lodged inside. This poses a risk to not only the gutters themselves, but the roof, walls and ground around it. For heavily clogged gutters, Streamline's solution is a 30 or 70 litre Streamvac residential gutter cleaning system. Sturdy and reliable, with wheels to take it almost anywhere, the Streamvac is equipped with enough space and suction power to clean a street's worth of houses with ease. Streamvac utilises our ultralight pole range, which, at only 200 grams per pole section, allows for an effortless, flawless vacuuming experience. Our swan neck design ensures comfortable use even in cramped spaces. And with the optional CCTV viewing kit, you can look over your newly emptied gutter from the safety of the ground. Call Streamline today to find out if a Streamvac gutter cleaning system is the solution you need.